41 most adventurous and beautiful places of Northeast India which you must visit before you die. Northeastern part of India, which is also known as the Seven Sisters, is connected to East India via a narrow corridor squeezed between Nepal and Bangladesh. If you love nature and greenery, visiting Northeast is a must for you as it has some real surprises for you. We have listed the most exciting reasons why you should plan visiting Northeast. You can find bridges made of bamboos and also shop beautifully crafted bamboo handicrafts and furniture. These monkeys feed on leaves, hence they are named as leaf monkeys. One of the famous tourist destination for adventure travelers as it's 1,548 meters high and offers view of the surrounding valleys and hills. On a clear day one can also see plains of Bangladesh from here. It's extremely peaceful and clean. It is celebrated in the month of March after completion of jungle clearing of the remnants of burning. If you visit this peaceful lake, you can reside at lakeside resorts which are maintained by the tourism department. It is the highest waterfall of Mizoram, having a fall of 750 feet. If you are looking for a calm and delightful place, this is the best option for you. Located at 921 meters above the sea level. Loktak Lake is also known as floating lake in the world due to the floating fumdis on it and is the largest freshwater lake in Northeast India. Just imagine how would this place look like at 5 a.m. in the morning. Wow! Kanchenjunga is the third highest mountain in the world. It is 8,586 meters tall, which is limited in the west by the Tamu River and in the east by the Teesta River. They are also known as dancing deers, a deer awaiting and looking at you always. It has 1,600 soldiers' cemeteries of British soldiers who lost their lives in the Second World War while fighting against Japanese forces in Manipur. The cemetery is maintained by the Commonwealth War Graves Commission. The temple is devoted to Lord Krishna. It has simple in design with gold domes, a paved court and a large raised congregation hall. It's also known for its seasonal flowers which adds to the beauty of this place. It is located in the border of Manipur and Nagaland. Mon is the most ethnic destinations of Nagaland and home of Konyak Nagas with tattooed faces. These colorful birds are worth watching for hours. A pure beauty of nature's creation. It offers you an exceptional view of traditional Naga lifestyle in the lap of nature. You can explore exhibits of our Naga tribe swords, shield, shawl, clothing and traditional jewelry here. The Great Indian Hornbill is one of the larger members of the hornbill family. They have an impressive size and color. The Teesta River is also known as the lifeline of Sikkim, flowing for almost the entire length of the state. Boats on the crystal clear river Davki. This is one of the favorite tourist attraction of Northeast. Uming Lake is popular for water sport and adventure facilities for this area, Cherrapunji, get heavy rainfall, therefore leading to creation of various caves which is a must visit for people looking for adventure. Nokalikai Falls is 335 meter high. A plunge pool with unusual green-colored water is formed at the ground where this water falls. These natural bridges are located in Cherrapunji. It's a good sight to see nature creating way for humans. You can find good population of red panda, Asian elephants, pig-tailed macaque and huloks, also an important bird area in West Garo Hills. Assam is the largest tea-producing state in India. Upper Assam has majority of its area covered with tea gardens, which looks like a green carpet when viewed while flying over it by aircraft. Red panda found in the states of Sikkim, northern West Bengal, Meghalaya and Arunachal Pradesh, where a majority of its population occurs. There are three types of Bihu festivals celebrated in the months of Bohag, Basak, the middle of April, Magh, the middle of January, and Kartik, the middle of October. If you are around during this period, you got to watch and enjoy the music and traditions dance which reflects rich culture of Assam. The Kamakhya temple is one of the oldest of the 51 Shaktipitas, dedicated to the mother goddess Kamakhya. It is situated on the Nilachal hill in Guwahati. Majuli is the largest island of Asia, is situated in the midst of river Brahmaputra, is the center of Vaishnava culture. You can reach here only by ferries from the city of Jorhat. More than 3,001 horned rhinos live in the wild, out of which 2,544 were found in India's Assam alone in 2014. Kaziranga National Park is located in Golaghat and Nagaon districts in Assam. If you are fond of wildlife, this is one of the best place for you too. Tawang Monastery is the largest monastery in India. It is situated at an elevation of 3,300 meters in Tawang town. It has an elevation of 4,170 meters, 13,700 feet, and connects the Buddhist city of Tawang town to Tezpur and Guwahati. During winter days, the temperature here reaches up to -10 degrees Celsius. If you love flowers, you must visit Sikkim and Meghalaya, which are home of beautiful orchids. Best time to visit is April to May and September to October. The scent of orchids perfumes the wings of a butterfly, basho. Nirmahal is a former royal palace built by King Bir Bikram Kishore Debarman of the erstwhile Kingdom of Tripura in the middle of the Lake Rudrasagar in 1930. A place of worship with huge rock-cut images and stone idols of Lord Shiva. It's a prime tourist attraction of Tripura. Ujjayanta Palace is a former royal palace of the Tripura princely state. Thanks for watching. Subscribe not to miss new interesting videos. See you soon.